Hello guys, for today's video, bike check. Bike check tayo ngayon. Frame Pro Max 50 29 Air medium size. Wheel set ko guys. Speed 1 Brooklyn Bazooka. Tapos RD Jory M5100, tapos Cogs M5100 din. Spoke ko Ragusa lang. Tapos tire Icon 29 by 2.35. Tapos yung brake ko guys, block lang, budget mill. Tapos yung crank IHF, tapos yung chainring Dicas, tapos yung chain guys KMC, tapos yung hub ko Hasins Pro 7. Seat post EC90 carbon. Saddle with Viking. Tapos shifter ko pa rin guys, M5100 Ragusa yung top cap, pero yung headset ZTTO ito guys. Tapos yung fork ko Weapon Cannon 35 with rebound adjuster and 120 travel. Tapos yung stem tangke. Tapos yung handlebar Shikra, tagal na yan. Tapos yung handlebar ko handle grip wala na, pudpud na, tagal na to guys. Tapos yun lang, yung bottom bracket ko pala Submit. Tapos yung pedal Ragusa. Yun lang guys.